Hey there, looking to make some extra cash without leaving your couch? Today we're diving into 4 easy side hustles you can do right from your phone. Whether you're a busy student, a stay-at-home parent, or just someone wanting to boost their income, these ideas will get you started. First up, creating social media theme pages. It's a fun way to express creativity and earn money. All you need is an Instagram account. Tools. Use apps like Canva for designing eye-catching posts and later for scheduling content. How to start. Choose a niche you're passionate about, like travel, food, or fitness. Build a consistent aesthetic and post regularly. Monetization. Once you've built a following, you can collaborate with brands for sponsored posts or use affiliate marketing links in your bio. Next on the list is freelancing and video editing. With platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, anyone can offer their skills. Tools. Use mobile editing apps like InShot or KineMaster. They're user-friendly and packed with features. How to start. Create a portfolio by editing videos for friends or personal projects. Then, set up your profile on freelancing sites, showcasing your best work. Monetization. Charge per project or offer packages for different services. The more you practice, the better you'll get, and the more you can earn. Third, let's talk about affiliate marketing with faceless content. This is perfect for those who prefer not to be on camera. Tools. Use Canva for creating engaging graphics and Linktree to manage your affiliate links. How to start. Pick a niche and create valuable content, like blog posts or social media graphics, without showing your face. Share your affiliate links for products you love. Monetization. Earn commissions on sales made through your links. The key is to provide genuine recommendations that resonate with your audience. Finally, selling items on Mercari. This platform makes it super easy to declutter and earn money. Tools. Use the Mercari app to list items quickly. Take clear photos and write detailed descriptions. How to start. Look around your home for items you no longer need, clothing, electronics, or home goods. List them on Mercari with competitive pricing. Monetization. Once your items sell, you'll receive payment directly to your account. Plus, it's a great way to keep your space tidy while making some cash. So there you have it. 4 easy side hustles you can do from your phone. Whether it's building a social media presence, freelancing, affiliate marketing, or selling items, the possibilities are endless. Why not give one of these a try? Start today and watch your side hustle grow. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to never miss an update.